Deep cleaning on HP OMEN 16 B0080TX laptop. Thank you, Sir Anton, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The HP OMEN 16 B0080TX laptop underwent a comprehensive deep cleaning procedure to maintain its high-performance efficiency, cooling stability, and long-term reliability. Being a gaming laptop, the HP OMEN series generates a significant amount of heat during heavy workloads and gaming sessions. Over time, accumulated dust and debris inside the system had started to reduce airflow and cooling efficiency, causing higher internal temperatures and potential thermal throttling. To address these issues, a thorough cleaning and maintenance process was performed to restore the device to optimal condition. The process began by carefully disassembling the laptop, which required precision and care due to the compact and tightly integrated internal layout of the HP OMEN 16. The bottom casing was removed using proper tools, and all internal components, including the cooling fans, heat sink, and air vents, were exposed for cleaning. Each step was carried out carefully to avoid damaging delicate parts such as ribbon cables, the motherboard, and the GPU connectors. Next, the cleaning phase was performed using a combination of anti-static brushes, compressed air, and microfiber cloths to remove dust buildup from the internal components. The dual cooling fans, which play a crucial role in heat management, were thoroughly cleaned to remove grime and fine particles that accumulate on the blades and surrounding vents. The heatsink fins were also clear of trapped dust that often restricts airflow and leads to overheating. After cleaning the mechanical parts, the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with a new, high-quality thermal compound. This step is essential for effective heat transfer between the chips and the cooling system. The application of fresh thermal paste helps the system maintain lower operating temperatures, improves thermal stability, and reduces fan noise during demanding operations. Once the thermal and airflow systems were cleaned and serviced, all internal components were reassembled with care. Each connector and cable was checked to ensure proper attachment, and the fan alignment was verified to guarantee smooth rotation. The exterior casing was cleaned and polished to remove fingerprints and surface dust, restoring the laptop's professional and sleek appearance. After reassembly, the laptop underwent a series of diagnostic and performance tests. These included boot-up monitoring, temperature analysis, and fan performance evaluation under both idle and heavy load conditions. The results showed a noticeable improvement. The system now operated with cooler temperatures, reduced noise levels, and better overall stability. In conclusion, the deep cleaning service not only refreshed the physical condition of the HP OMEN 16 B0080TX, but also ensured that it continues to perform at its best. Regular deep cleaning is essential for gaming laptops like the OMEN series, as it prevents dust buildup, overheating, and long-term component wear. After this procedure, the laptop now operates as efficiently as when it was new, ready to deliver stable, high-performance operation for gaming, creative tasks, and professional use. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.